We hear the word all the time when dealing with taxes or banks, but what exactly is bureaucracy and why does it feel so slow? At its simplest, bureaucracy is just a way of organizing large organizations through fixed rules and a clear chain of command. It is designed to be consistent, but that consistency often creates massive amounts of paperwork and wait times for the average person. These traits ensure that a bank or tax agency treats everyone by the same set of rules, which prevents favoritism. Ever feel like the rules are winning while your goals are losing? Let us break down why bureaucracy often clashes with getting things done. As organizations grow, they naturally become more bureaucratic because managing thousands of people requires rigid systems to keep things from collapsing. While frustrating, remember that these systems exist to provide stability. Navigating them simply requires patience and proper documentation. Next time you are stuck in a queue, remember the system is built for scale, not speed. Subscribe for more money basics.